And here we go. Welcome to apartment number 2 at 179 Casale. This unit is coming over to the market with a rental tag of $3,775, and it has 3 bedrooms, 1.5, one bathroom and yard. There's also laundry in the building, so we can see what it could be, a bedroom or living room. I leave it to you. So there is another bedroom. So this is the actual door that divides the living room or bedroom from the actual bedroom here. Closet right there. And now we go and see another closet right here. And there you go. Then we see bathroom with his tub and shower. So then dining room, then kitchen. The whole unit has been upgraded. Hardwood floors, brand new, as you can tell. And these are granite countertops, new stove, brand new, and refrigerator, which is also brand new, cabinetry as well. And then we go into the 3rd bedroom right here, and that takes us into the actual yard. So this bedroom goes into the actual yard, and as I said, there is laundry located around there in the unit. To see this place, so what you have to do, apartment number 2, 179 Casale, is to contact your usual suspect, Gustavo Lopez, at 415-312-5017. Thank you for your attention. Have an amazing day. Bye.